Working in construction can be very dangerous, and unfortunately accidents causing serious injuries happen more often than they should. David Greene from Greene and Phillips joins us once again on Studio 10. David, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
All right, so if someone is injured while working on a construction site, what should they do?
Well, number one is they need to make sure that they do a first report of injury. That is so crucial if you're involved in an accident in an industrial plant or something of that nature, because you've got to secure your workers' compensation coverage.
Is there a timeline on those types of things?
Yes, there is. It's very crucial to do it within the first few days. You want to make sure that you establish workers' compensation, because you have what's called TTD benefits, temporary total disability benefits, as well as medical benefits that you're entitled to.
All right, so what are some common construction accidents that you've heard about or had some lawsuits for?
Well, we've been involved in fall cases, we've been involved in explosion cases, we've been involved in accidents where forklifts run over individuals, cut off toes, cut off legs, burn cases. There are many types of possible injuries that can occur in a construction setting or an industrial setting. And that's, with the plants around Mobile in this area, it's very crucial that you make sure that you report your injury to that plant if you're injured there.
Yeah, and you're aware of the things that we're talking about here today on the show. So how does someone recover a settlement for a construction injury?
Well, number one is reporting it, and number two, by dealing with the insurance company that provides insurance for that setting. You want to make sure, though, after that first report of injury, that you get a lawyer that handles workers' compensation.
Why is that so important?
Well, it's important because the attorney is going to know the process. They're going to understand workers' compensation law is very difficult. It can be very difficult because of the calculations and numbers. And then also what would happen if you did not get a lawyer is you may not have a third-party case. A third-party case is going to pay you more on your case than workers' compensation, which is capped.
These things take time. It can go faster. You can get more. It's a terrible thing if it happens, but if it does, you want to know how to handle that situation. And David and his friends at Greene and Phillips can certainly help you with that. David, thanks a lot.
Thanks for having me.
I didn't know either.